Buckle up, folks. We're about to witness raw power and precision as machines reshape the landscape. This isn't just tree felling. It's a symphony of destruction and creation. Trees fall, the ground trembles, and it's going to be epic.
Oops.
Have you ever seen a giant tree fall? Well, you're about to. The Husqvarna 390X PG paired with the 36T bar, it's not just a tool, it's a beast in the hands of a master operator. Watch closely as the precision of man and machine combine. Here it comes, folks. And there it goes. A colossal tree hitting the ground like thunder, shaking the very earth. Simply breathtaking. Hold on! This isn't just another tree felling. Our lumberjack's about to make a daring move. One wrong cut could spell disaster. My heart's racing. Will he pull it off? The moment of truth is here. Now, this is woodworking goals. Our guy isn't just using a saw, he's blending old-school craftsmanship with modern CNC precision. The end result? A cutting board so perfect it could hang in an art gallery. His creativity is next level. I don't even know if I could bring myself to chop on this beauty. Whoa! Did that just happen? The road pulled a fast one, stealing a wheel right off the truck mid-operation. Heart-stopping moment, but the driver walks away with only a minor injury. What luck! Welcome to the big leagues, folks. The C93 Harvester head is an absolute powerhouse. It tears through massive trees with ease, like a hot knife through butter. And the advanced tech behind it? Pure genius. This machine doesn't just do the job, it dominates the forest. Watch it make short work of a towering giant. Now this is what you call power. The Rotaw's stump grinder doesn't just remove stumps, it rips them from the earth like they were never even there. It's a beast in action, turning tough jobs into pure satisfaction. Watch this beauty work its magic. Oh no, 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 no! This is why cutting down trees is not a DIY job. That tree's falling in the wrong direction. and it's happening fast. My heart just dropped. Luckily, no one was hurt, but this could have gone very, very badly. Brace yourselves for the Mack Titan, folks. Papa Nui 5 is more than just a truck. It's an unstoppable force, ripping through New Zealand's wildest terrain with 90 tons of logs in tow. With 600 horsepower roaring beneath the hood, this beast doesn't just conquer the Kangaroa, it dominates it. Now here's a chainsaw that means business, the STIHL MS 881. With its massive 67-inch bar and 8.7 horsepower engine, it's practically unstoppable. This thing cuts through massive logs like they're nothing. Sawdust is flying everywhere, and I can almost smell that fresh-cut wood from here. Whoa! Did you see that? The truck almost lost control and the load nearly toppled over. My heart's still pounding. But thanks to the operator's skill and quick thinking, disaster was averted. That was too close for comfort. Here it goes. Victory! Man and machine triumph once again. Behold, the Magnum LT linear carriage, a true powerhouse in wood processing. This dual-blade band saw slices through massive logs with lightning speed. Its precision and strength are nothing short of remarkable, making it a must-see in action. Wood fell in a flash. The lumberjack turned a towering cedar into a souvenir in just 3 minutes. The giants of nature crumbled quickly before the skillful hands and extraordinary strength. With just a hydraulic press, some scrap metal, and some serious ingenuity, this guy turned his idea into reality. Bam! A powerful wood splitter that's both efficient and optimized down to the last detail. Get ready to be amazed by the results. You won't believe your eyes. Can you imagine the sheer terror of tons of giant logs coming towards you? This is a scene straight out of a nightmare. But remember, cedar is not only a gift of nature, but also a symbol of durability and warmth. Join us as we enter the wonderful world of Japanese woodworking where beautiful logs are lovingly cared for and delicately processed. Each piece of wood is magical, from the natural grain to the perfect cuts. Follow along and immerse yourself in the journey of transforming raw wood into masterpieces. Can you believe it? The LKT-81 just pulled a massive 20 cubic meter log. That's right, folks. That's 3 times the normal capacity. This machine is a beast, built to last and withstand the toughest of challenges. What do you think of the LKT-81? It's just awesome, right? Say hello to the HSM 405H, the ultimate high-performance logging machine, born to conquer the toughest challenges of large-scale logging operations. With its incredible power and absolute stability, this is not just a machine, but the perfect mechanized solution for the logging industry. And with a price tag of around $44,000, it is an investment not to be missed, ensuring lasting value and outstanding performance. Hold on to your hats, people, because what we are about to witness will blow your mind. These brave loggers are performing incredible feats. With no safety harnesses, no protective gear, just their bare feet and sheer courage, they scale towering trees and fell them with a single saw. It is incredible. Can you imagine their courage and skill? When the W130 and Tesla 25 RH2 come together, it's not just a machine. It's a symphony of power and precision. Productivity has skyrocketed, and you can bet the operator is celebrating a big win right now. This is what pure engineering excellence feels like in action. In the long-anticipated showdown, the Husqvarna 572 XP and STIHL MS 462C showcased their incredible finesse and raw power. Both chainsaws delivered outstanding performance, making the competition intense and thrilling. In the end, who will come out on top? The suspense is real. Get ready for an epic finish. Wow, this is unbelievable. The Foley Bell 14, an old-school sawmill, just turned massive trees into perfect lumber for building homes. It really makes you think about how things were done back in the day. Pure hard work and hands-on craftsmanship. There's something truly special about seeing history in action like this. This is exactly why you should keep a safe distance from dangerous areas like this. Have you ever wondered how people used to bring down giant trees before chainsaws even existed? Let's dive into this video and see how they did it. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. Watch along and let me know what you think. Do you really think this bridge is strong enough for that massive truck? I'm seriously wondering why they'd even risk trying to cross it. If you've ever dreamed of tackling massive logs right in your own backyard, the Montana MD-90 is the answer. With a powerful 33 kilowatt engine and the ability to handle logs up to 900 millimeters thick, turning these beasts into lumber has never been easier. Get ready to take your woodworking game to the next level. If you loved today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below to let me know what you want to see me build next. Your feedback means everything. Let's keep the creativity going.